Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use cross-platform save in Warframe Mobile so you can play your main account on your phone without losing any progress. So let's get started. Now first, of course, install Warframe on your mobile device and open the game. Log in using your Google account, accept the terms, and create a temporary name. Don't worry too much about this part because it'll be replaced once we link your main account. Next, you want to complete the short tutorial so you can get access to the main menu. This also helps you get familiar with the mobile controls. Now, here's the important part. You want to open your browser and go to the official Warframe website. Then log in using your main Warframe account, the one that already has all your progress from PC or console. Once you're logged in, you want to go to your profile and open account management and look for the cross save or cross platform save option. From there, you want to choose to link your mobile account, then sign in with the same Google account you used on mobile, and then you'll be asked to select your primary account. Make sure you choose your main account carefully because this is the one that carries all your progress across devices. And once confirmed, your accounts will be linked and your full Warframe progress will now sync to mobile. And basically, that's it. You can now switch between platforms and continue your journey anytime, anywhere. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!